Hi there.
So what do you think? Which one? Which one do you like? Protein shake today? I feel your pain.
Let's try to get this one. I don't think so.
Are you the guy that does the fart thing?
The what now?
The fart thing?
Am I the guy that does the what now? I am him.
Thought you looked familiar.
I'm doing it right now, as a matter of fact.
Really?
I am. You would have been my next victim.
Oh, no. I would have said,
Yeah.
no, maybe not. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you.
You got it right?
This one. Look at these. I like these two coming. Oh.